Hi, my name is Ravina, and I'm here to share with you our top LG air conditioners collection. Just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. LG's Dual Inverter Compressor solves improper cooling and noise problems, resulting in an air conditioner that cools faster, lasts longer, and runs quieter. With the 10-year warranty on the compressor, users can enjoy the benefits of LG air conditioner for a longer period, by LG. Number 2. 2-ton capacity, suitable for large-sized rooms 180 square foot and more, another great product by LG. Number 3. Amazon Great Indian Sale is now live. Click this banner and get the best deals for you. Number 4. Our editor choice. Number 5, also by LG. For more info, click the banner below.